So this video is all about the Series 4 Apple Watch. By the time you reach the end of it, you're going to learn exactly how to master some of the great features of this fantastic device. Let the download begin. What's up guys? So in this video we're going to show you a couple of really cool hidden features of the Apple Watch Series 4 that you can take advantage of if you buy the watch or are planning on buying it. You'll know exactly how to use it. That's what these videos are all about. Let's get started. So one of the first things we're going to show is to update the Apple Watch software. Keep in mind that this does update automatically, so you may not have to do this. This is only if you run into an issue where the watch isn't updating and you wanted to either check the firmware that's currently in the watch or you wanted to upgrade the watch yourself. These are the steps that you would have to take. First thing you have to do is make sure that your iPhone is currently running the latest version of iOS. I'll show you exactly how to do that really quickly. So to check the version of iOS that your phone is currently running, you're going to log into your settings app. You're going to go into general settings. You're going to go into about phone and you're going to check your software version there. Now you're also going to want to make sure that your Apple Watch itself is sitting on the charger and is at least 50% charged, and that your iPhone is connected to the Wi-Fi, and that the Apple Watch and iPhone are in close proximity. And when you meet all those criteria, you're going to go into the Apple Watch app. And once you're in the Apple Watch app itself, you're going to go to General. You're going to go to Software Update. It will check for the latest software updates. You can see that I am running the current most updated software, but if you weren't, then it would prompt you to download that software. And from there, it would update your Apple Watch. Now you're going to want to keep the Apple Watch on the charger until it's finished updating completely. If you don't, that could affect the update itself. And keep in mind that this thing can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. It really just depends on the size of the update itself and the speed of your internet connection, of course. So we're going to look at how to clear notifications on the watch. We're also going to look at how to mute notifications on the watch in case you don't want notifications showing up. Bear in mind that any notifications you clear on the watch, it's also going to clear on your phone as well. So you may want to look at it before you clear it, or you may not see the notification when you transfer over to your cell phone. So now to clear any notifications on your watch, usually you'll have some kind of icon on top indicating that a notification has come through. Now you're just going to swipe down from the top, and you can actually do this from any screen. It doesn't necessarily have to be your home screen. Once you swipe down, you'll see the notification there. You'll swipe and you'll swipe it away. So if you now hit that X, notification is completely cleared. Now, if you wanted to mute the notifications that are coming into the watch, you can actually just swipe down again from the top, get into your notification center, but instead of hitting the X this time to dismiss it, you can hit those three little dots. And what this can do is give you the ability to customize or mute the notifications that are coming into the watch. So you can see that this gives you the ability to turn off the notifications that are coming in from this specific application, and that can give you the ability to control which applications come into your watch. So if you're getting a lot of email from your email client and you don't want that always popping up on your watch, you can mute those notifications here, but they're still going to be active on your phone, so you wouldn't have to worry about it here. And as always, you can do some more customizations in the actual Apple Watch app here by going to notifications. And then this notification center here gives you the ability to customize some of the notifications on the apps. You can send reminders, you can do daily coachings for this particular activity app. Notifications were turned off because we turned it off in the watch itself, but you can also turn it back on here, and you can do additional customizations through the app itself. So this gives you full control over the notifications that go from your phone to your Apple Watch Series 4. So now your Apple Watch Series 4 is also able to take screenshots if you enable it through your companion app on the iPhone. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So when you sign into your iPhone, you go to your Apple Watch, you're going to go to General here, scroll all the way down, and you're going to make sure Enable Screenshots is turned on. It enables you to take screenshots of your Apple Watch display, and it saves it into your camera roll on your phone by default. So now to take screenshots, you're just basically pressing these two buttons at the same time. And as you can see, that screenshot appeared in my camera roll within my phone. So it's a really cool option. If you're using a lot of these fitness and exercise apps, you can actually take your statistics here from your watch, and it automatically transfers into your phone for catalog. So another really cool feature you can have when you have these two devices together is that the iPhone can actually unlock your Apple Watch, so you don't have to input a key pass in both of the devices in order to get them unlocked. So let me show you exactly how to do that. So when you sign into your Apple Watch app, you're going to scroll down and you're going to go to passcode. That's going to tell you that you're going to need the Apple Watch currently unlocked. It's better to do this when it's on your wrist, but since I'm demonstrating, it's a little bit difficult. So I'm going to unlock the Apple Watch, and that gives the features the ability to unlock. And you can see that I have access to do simple passwords. I can unlock with the phone. This just says that as long as your iPhone is on and your Apple Watch is on your wrist, the iPhone will automatically unlock the watch as long as you're wearing it. So as you can see, I have the watch on and it's just fully unlocked automatically. I don't need to input a passcode, but as soon as you take the watch off, it locks. And that is really just a security measure of keeping the biometrics on your hand, and also it's syncing up with your iPhone. So now if you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out some of our other videos about the Apple Watch. We're making some videos to make you guys get a full understanding of how to take full advantage of all the features of this great device here. Check out some of our other videos on the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, peace.